Hello iPhone users, in this video I'm going to show you how you can put all the widgets etc in one area. Like you can see I'm scrolling it here in the widget section, right? And I have multiple in one, right? How do we do that? I hold the screen normally. I tap on the plus on the left upper corner and I am selecting widget of same size. So see, this is Snapchat. I just slide it and I don't have it in that size. So this is the photos, right? This is one photo and I am doing it quickly to show you exactly how many widgets can possibly be in one together, right? So let's do it together and I want you to do it as well, so that you can easily access to all the widgets, all the apps at one go without turning it on. Like if you want to do the Paytm, you do it. You want to check some photos, you tap on it directly, right? You want to see the calendar, it is there. You just slide it the widgets one by one. So we are checking the stack and we are almost at the 8th 9th widget. Total are 10 widgets at one go, so you can slide it right away. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10, whichever is are of utmost use to you. You can select any shape. I've selected this rectangle so that I can access to more app features. So that's how we do it. See you in the next video with interesting topics. Ta-da!